Yes. Reure. Technology. Yes. You see, feature eho na thiko ici ni raria muno na it is still bado ndiri rago manadwa ingi etagwo riri wireless charging
Dekinye andu othe.
yes
Thimu ciothe cina capacity yo.
wireless charging ri ni kuga ati thimu yaku ri ndirabatara charger ya cable tariu no njoyo yaku ni njoyo ina wireless charging This dania neno yaku ngongo
Inyonye mwaki
ugaire ki mwaki iyo niyo yetagwo wireless
charging.
yes
Na ngari cia kiriu nacio no iroka na kaundu kau.
yes noti cirakua umba na mboroti
No ti ciothe
na ti marori ona utuika actors ne ciroka na wireless charging ici cia long haul.
Yes
ngai ne iroka uraigirira thimu ha
kuigirira tu hau
ha wireless
igacha
ikagia mwaki riu horo ucio niguo ndukina thimu ciothe. Yes riu ne tariri netanya muno etagwo air fryer. Air fryer nayo ni uhorongi
ucio naguo ni uhorongi.
Air fryer ri wodie ndago manie we ruta irathia
ona ndi ndamenya wega uria rutaga,
but I understand nita uruga cipo ciriera-ini maguta meha na ndihuthagira maingi. Yes muthoni ndangirigirwo ni uria air fryer rutaga. Riu icio ni technology. Yes aria riu twanjirie riu the revolution ya thimu ri thimu yayo kana charger yayo yahana jack ya headphone icio ndio ciare type ki
icio na ti type just a plug-in thing.
Yes riu icio kasise kehetio riu nigetha Ericsson riu matiga gutuika marahuthira ya Motorola ri mase kehia kao. Yes no riu ri aria ingeito in the village aria twainaga thimu twi ruro ikaragetago C113
kwari Motorola C113 na mu C118 wari mutungu wega.
Yes tondu Ericsson did not do rounds rugongo.
It was not a mass product rugongo
kwanja ya flap you know wono arethie mugunda. Yes
mu C113 na mu C118 ri riu ucio niguo watamba rugongo wega
na kage kahana wing road ya hayuru getago sagem mundu agurite sagem ri ni aikarangite na thimu kana karangitwo
kana wing road
riu rugongori ni wakoraga yes ni wagura thimu ni wenjika kamua tuta waku wandania naki we tungumania tu wanyita tuburi twaku tuigana na wekatia
wegurira thimu
na wana yo starter pack yayo hamwe na charger
na thimu cia hindi yo nginya ni yokaga na user guide
manual ifuku. You know they knew we were technically illiterate horo wa thimu
neo kana ifuku rina thiomia ngacigana
nginya kihimbarania na mundu ni acokagio thukuru na ifuku riu wona mundu mugunda akarathi makaihinya ya
na bathiri puku
tools riu akora wina charger but you have no
electricity.
Yes
hamna stima
riu kwi phone charging yari hayo nä thikå icio thia irabu ici high-end he andå thiaga uka scan ukarä ha hakauma power bank. Yes
ugachanjira ya thimu yaku kuu.
Yes riu hindi yo watwaraga thimu ha karuri
ni umire buroti.
Yes
Nduka-inĩ ĩrĩa nene ya General Shop ri.
Yes.
Kuingi nĩ kuo wakoragwo na motungata mauma phone charging.
Yes. And they had a charger. So thimu nĩ ciarĩ mĩthemba mĩingĩ ri. Nĩ ũndũ wa ku avoid confusion na kĩna mũndũ kana charger yake ũrĩa ri. Makona charger ĩho nayo yarĩ. It's now modern technology. It's defunct. Yetagwo universal charger. Na ndagwira mwendi ucio wa nduka kwanja kimwana giake ri gikiaramia universal charger igane ihiga ria kuri ungecirie kira perform open heart surgery
mutaramu uyu munene
ana ta mundu igane the equilibrium of the earth na no wa mnyanira saji yakia ne green kana red
tuingi twakona na tawa wa blue kana red.
Yes kare agacoka karumithia
tugego tukareho riu ha terminal-ini ya ihiga ria kuria thimu.
Yes
ukarumithio nga
tondu watigaga ihiga ti thimu yothe
watu ona wakuaga ihiga
wakua ihiga ririo ika ukaneana
ugatwara haria General Shop.
Hau nao hari the mother of scams tondu ni wakoraga ihiga ria kuderiero ukahoranirio
kwanja uhoro wa gucenjanirio mahiga ma thimu was common.
Ucio ni wareha nginya bara ya ndugamano ya bara
na rumena.
Yes
ukagwa nie ndirarehire ihiga ria kwa haha rieru.
Yes
ndatuma mwana hwaini ihiga riria rokire na rio tirio
nditiraiga mwaki ria kwa riga mwaki kiumia giki no tuna thimu television zizi thimu yo rahorete ira rucio ira rahorie thainya ingimekia thaici ndigekinyia rucio ihiga ria kwa riri rero ndakiuga wa rispa mumenye no murahire ihiga ria kwa ndikituka ndaikaraga muteja guku ni undu wokora wanyu oko ni maiga murenderia tu guku maitu ri hindi agoka haja wa nduka nigetha thondeke ki
sin
ijaja na sana icio ciathukagiria andu mahiga ma
guthu taki
ndivona na 4 way o ihiga rirumitwo niki
ni ka universal charger
na thibiring ya ikahana ri itatia muthoni nyamu no nyita njui ri ikahana hi akiri
akarumithio ihiga
karuma kia kanyitiria terminal
egekirwo mwaki no na yaja kublink ukamenya ati riu ni iracha
ukamenya riu we fire si fire we mwena-ini wa mwaki
we grid-ini
we kindaruma we 7 fox masinga dai ukorura
ukerwo riri no oire hwaini kuma thinacara na hau
na rimwe ni warehaga haoka mundu ungi nake wina more clout in the village ria kule kahomukio
tasifu kana sabu shifu.
Yes mundu clout yake ya iguru kidogo
kana mundu we authority in that area.
Yes uko akora ru mundu na followers aigeta wa kirumba ria kinyetie ro shangi na kuna
we wa dogo ri ukahumuki
we wa 10 kiaire
ria kule kabare kaigwo kando
avu gakaroro nginya ni ihiga ria thimu iri kuyo
oka
tondu Erickson ni aheo priority. Yes na cement. Yes were una aka gaku kana kamundu kena kiharari
muandu 13 ri you will give way ukaboke herio gridi-ini reke njambe gwikira itha mugore uyu ndari na ihenya ona no thimu yake ko ya mwago and they would also assess mone you don't make any serious calls gutire emergency sigotagetaga as a contact person. You can stay offline.
Yeah, you can be offline. Actually, the service provider does not require you very much.
Universal charger.
Itima. Who were here last mile yake gunado rogo.
Muno.
Last mile.
Ate lu mudo charger kirathimo gwake ririenda.
It was painstaking. Omenye mwana wa thia kura ihu muno.
riu gutia kire heart break ta utware ihiga ria thimu wakinya kuria buroti ri ukero ku thitima cioririo iyo
riu no thie buroti wengi ithe twathia karugia iego karugia maguru
imagine
na ndoria bakuinuka riu ni uri njaro ku
you waste almost a whole day wetereire ihiga rigie mwaki
absolutely na makora karugia gutire kire yani wambate kanorero
na no na duka icio cia phone charging kibao gikiritwo kinene phone charging here
and they used to charge I think it was
not a free service
it was 10 bob or 20
te abetie 10 bob anga marigiririo hari
20
it was not for free uwekewe moto
kwa jagi okire gucanjira higari ya polyphonic cioko polyphonic riu ni thimu iria cia hura karwimbo wegega tirwimbo rwimbo no citiamba citia now success card
yale advanced kidogo
kiurauga we wakinyire handu andu thitima cioka makigurira universal charger icio yakuaga a natural death
na cia thimu igicenjia
yamba egate grip ugakora mundu arohereria na branda
kana kagego kamwe ri gakenyuka
tona yari very fragile
it's been a journey
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
na tumesija. Neure. Yes. Ona.
Te ona.
Pesa ndai wate. Hey, ucio ne mona.
It's a very old saying.
And you see what is related.
Te ona.
Okay, we are more on the mona. Ni arigese andu.
Ena maundu marigithitie.
Yes.
Out of the norm.
Yes. That's a millennial description. It was an adjective to describe a millennial with a trait of youthful rebellion.
Ona. Mona.
Ona kindu kia bereri. The very first characteristic ya ona ri. Ugetwikire very confident ri. Ni warigithagia andu. Ni wanaka we mo? We mona. Ona onge wari kweja box. Yes. Weje box. Kwaja hikere meja box mare Mìnaa.
Mioru.
Well, they never used to look very good.
Jete box okay kire. Kire murato wa sport.
Yes. Kwaje mundu waina kindu gito Walkman. Walkman. No menye Walkman iyo dagia kuharukirie headphone. Akwaroragira kamuogu.
Aguokagira hani.
Yes.
Eria matu.
Okay, igwo thikiirie muno. Break ya sabari akwehereria.
Walkman.
Kiwa never gonna give you up. Akeheria. Okay. No way.
Oh yes, sumu.
Ere moni anagiriria mwe hau mugakire inyuothe muthikiririe karikage. Wale ona. Riu he ona onge wakora riu na Mìnaa. Wago cenjia walking style. Riu kukwari guthuka.
Kuharibika.
Iguthuka na. We riu ndungiheka uhoro.
And Mìnaa nayo ri. They used to think that they know everything.
And most of those Mìnaas never ended up to be anything substantial in life.
No. You see, they could not be advised.
They could be. No, I mean, that's why I called it youthful rebellion.
Yes.
Yes.
No gia mwelire.
Heo nduru mawe aga style. Na style kau magari nyimbo ini cia Black America. Na makorogota moka Nairobi. Wako ni modu wa twairwo delegation Gicagi. Ni ageretie maica ma city.
C'était que murega.
Either the odds
or the gods conspire.
Yes.
To send him back to the village.
And the universe, they said his place is the son of the soil. Leo ni okana una wake.
Akuma city.
Mutiga thonda kiate kamonia gucoka gwake kiria Gicagiri. It's very calculated.
Yes. Na mumenya giatiriri. He knows beyond the village.
Yes, this circumstantial. Leo heo ndumathia akibounsaga. Yes. Ko bounce. Heo ndu athiaga ike guoko muhuko. Guoko giathia gikagia guoko kumwembere. Here. Kaadhi kamwena kamwe takoro kumwana tigake
thutha
na thutha ile munene yoyo. Yes.
Yoyo. Another million you're saying.
Me yoyo naona kwaja aona kaire tu ndugu bounce maita ngiri ka bounce ka nika akoragwo kiria accelerated ne kuona ready
akongerera madoido na shaini
Here. Asoka akenyita haha etote haha kireru anyita akiu na karaka ya kuorota na hiki kia yes kidole sambusa kira muiki niaje sis nimembro na wewe nimekumbroia usikini kwambia nimefollow na wewe nimekufollow
Mìnaa
urauga leo theno gialiriri wena Gicagi waku hindi yori uka influence ne mona oyu na wajie ona ningi ndwenda mundu muhiji.
The malnutrition.
You see, if you are not a very good feeder circumstantially, eno se maria na kiro mawega. Why you bounce? You look like you had a structural problem. No, bouncing was for the people with a proper frame.
And you see, Mìnaa no yagi ukasitiri.
Yes.
Ni yagi shoka ginya naguo ona no wafatara matonyo. Ti matonyo ni ngima ya kawaida.
Ti kiria machani mix ya kiria karure. Uzo kyo thio ka bounce.
Thia gwetu Mìnaa na wena gutho atana.
Na mokasi. You look silly. Ndio na bounce. Yeah.
Ona no wenda gaitonyo riho.
Na tondura bounce ri uma kianda wina theci. You give bounce na farm tool.
And equipment.
Mìnaa na diana tetaruta wira ki. Wa muguda. Yes.
Na ne wari level of cleanliness.
Yes. Cleanliness and some access to some upwardly mobile lifestyle. Yes. Wewe tu mona hawa tura bounce na miatoka.
Weke bounce na wena koni ya kawa ruki ade.
And then your shoulder bones are very either date yo. Pero go kwedia do the mari aseke. Twihi. Iwe go kuri. Siade ona nyoni no ewe hawe gurare. No reda ko bounce.
Date ya tahanga.
Where the ko bounce ko leta go spring. No Mìnaa kwaja muna agia korirwo ni ari ya wega gogo ni matukanagia indo cia mugunda no hiyo athaka
ne shama na balanced diet.
Yes. Aso kere unio ya gaki.
Mahiga.
Shuma mahiga. Ano masita shuma roho. Nio ya gaki.
Ni shuma.
Na muru ya shuma ni atigira goro wogo no kodo ibara.
Ni one ka hana tage guthu. Age kuringa kune.
Ano mau atio cio kuringa ngudi ni umiakiragia. Mwamu kora atia shuma. Toka kumira brot na kofia ya fira.
Tisangenge.
Fila. Kana fubu. Yes. Miro le tiha.
Na mutisha tiwa 5'8".
Yes. Hede ikarete nuona hali ya the doctor maikaraga. Aya ni how precious. Aya ka sporti. How maikaraga riu. Irure mwe no. Na ria ringi mwe no. Kaiga moko hau atagati uguo riu. Yes.
Riu ni muna.
Like a proper predator. Ete irere. Chio kia sihire. Na Mìnaa ri ona naguo ndendaga ninge mundu mucamuragi.
Pigmentation.
You don't know, if you had too much melanin,
you'd look fake.
Yeah, you would look like a wannabe. Mìnaa ona kwa jenda kishanuri. Kakashanuri kada kanini. Nakwamenya kau nigi yake personal. Tigi ya family.
Nigi yake personal.
Lewe ogeta ona na kishanuri ya family. Kayu ane ilo sega.
Oe.
Mami yangu asokia kishanuri nyoba.
Okuira a shared tool.
Yes, a common resource. Hedio muna wewe na kitu gito bandana. Koranga kana bandana. Koja bandana ishore to gekiria kihoge gia fagi. Nyori agithukane.
Gathukanite.
Ora improvise bandana kumana maritho mama mwanyu mari ahurukire.
Don't look bright.
Don't look bright. Oh, bandana ya leto hau. Esimu mjinga wizi.
Yari the wako baby.
All in the quest of looking like a yo-yo. It's a bad system.
Yo.
Uhana do kibabi. Aka kibabi kia umo. Eudero na wathi yaku eria ku bounce we. Tondu menyerete poste ori. Ukahegu. Na bounce ningi ni enda okamenya kuiwara bounce re. Tondu yo ndogia bounce re. Bounce yaku ecenjie mara moja watengerio ni ngui.
Ni gucenjia. You revert back to the old self.
Yes. Hedio urathio githikagiria Gangsters Paradise. Kurio. Yes. Na we na ifuku wana kithero borwa Craig David. I am walking away from the troubles in my life.
Ainoga matikimenya icio ni ndu.
Ainoga matikimenya rwimbo. Rokirite hindi ria ndanyitire marua ma mwathani.
Thĩni wa Ngai.
Na kau gĩja kũiyũrĩte. Munaraina hau. I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away to find a better place.
Never mind. Not all, but a good number of Mìnaa.
Yes.
That was just it for them.
That was the highlight of their lives. After that, they went into some sinister oblivion. We don't see them around much. I think they made their statements one minute too early.
And left the scene.
Yes. It was Mwaki of Madarara. Never mind, during their heydays, they were like wash people. Some guys would buy their clout and would get pregnant for them.
And he would comfortably walk away.
Yes, from the troubles in his life, like his theme song. I'm walking away from the troubles in my life. I'm walking away.
And he would walk away
to find a better place. Sometimes.
Again, another 46.
Mìnaa yo the guy. Yeah, kama utamayu sorry. Mayoyo. Na mahomi.
Jumatatu Gatano KWIGANGARA Shamania na board che Gathaiya dance.
Karibu sana THUITA
Na section Ngoni THUITA.
Leure. Mahomi.
Mayoyo na mahomi. Na andu aria no mari ahonoku muno ri matiendete Mìnaa na Mayoyo.
Actually Mìnaa ni associated to na riri na scenes of the universe.
Yes. Modern scenes.
Yes. Actually the kingdom we onakata we mu na fi wa riri or an ambassador of the kingdom of hell.
Matia mendete.
Matia mendete. Ni maina anye boisio. No me. Odimo kemitiwa muri waruga Mìnaa mingi ya matuko maituri. Ndiakinyire bomb for.
No, the matuika kare dabe ne una.
No, they actually used to find themselves more brighter than the system.
Yes. No, actually, they should not be in Kenya. No, they should be somewhere in the first one.
Yes, they used to think they are Tupac Shakur. Yes. Or Snoop Doggy Dogg. Kana Notorious B.I.G. You see, millennials na those that came before us netumete upbringing ya inaka onuka we had the the relics of colonialism. Yes. Ashore tura ciana citu tha iciri tutire as corpro toria twarerirwo.
That's true.
There's a new world order. Andu ni mathite mamenyete nginya ihoto ciao tha icio mwana waku ne ukura I know my right. Na ru mau utaithio ndu gutwira oguo nitu kwagararia rugiri ni mamanya to bathi no he matuko kwari na colonialism. Yes. There was a very clear cut line where the back stops. Na tutiari opinion.
Ai. The opinion.
Opinion ya kusema nini? Ati what color of shirt do you want?
As who? Are you the one buying?
Are you going for fashion show? Kana ko muthoni? Muthoni anda kwero kirato kia pesa cigana? Kia ngirita ithato. Ni ugothi uthukuma Nairobi.
Wajia guthukuma ri.
No ithu tutiare na privileges icio cia ati muthie ona nigetha ku avoid that kind of imagined democracy ona ndwathia wona yo ithi kugurirwo kindu
yo kagage surprise.
Yes. And mostly it was not a pleasant surprise.
Wewe gakiuga haithuru giki gioka ri.
Yes.
Wacha nitumie hii
na no ikiratu maita maingi wagurirwo ri giako gikinene makiria maku.
Of course ndungiagurirwo kiratu fitting.
Yes.
No.
And it was as unforgiving as no get a grievances. How now ukioiwo kiheo muru wa nyukwa, and
that is done.
Final.
Uhoro ucio ni wathire na hau.
Who are you questioning? Okay, what are you?
Igira tuikira hinya karaka kanini.
Nikira ko voi pole takirehe. Ucenjanirie. Ukacege. Harukia kiu. Nege yaku.
Uhoro ucio gathira.
Kwisha. And you question that authority, now you asking for death.
Or a thorough beating.
Yes. You asking to be promoted to glory. Kwira iwe ona guhoro wa kuhandwo mbeca ri. Tutiare kaundu kau.
Te kuhandwo mbeca.
You see, ona
siaku ne nduko aragitumwo.
Ona siaku. Ndio mwa some millennials ndio wa kugia thina ri. Na kwenda the promise of a blissful life ri. Nitwe tungumanagia muno.
Kwihangia.
Okay, hangia some economic activities. Yes.
Kana ugathie mabuti hindi ya school holiday.
Yes. Kana ugathie handu kagwirwo guo. One of your uncles ago sponsor an agricultural project. Athi gwa simu rwa kugurira mbegu cia dania.
Wena wetondu wira wa moko nduonagio ri.
Yes.
Wagwa mugunda.
Mwana ramata.
Na tondu ritwa riu utuitwo no riri kaundu kau kaindo cia kura mata indo ri.
Ritwa ni riri guoko gwake.
Wa utungata indo.
Tuta waku wa dania ri. Ugagikira we
wega
kana karati. Yes. Ugagituika riu muthenya wa ndunyu ri. Ni ukuoha tuo ho.
Umerie kuria ndunyu.
Yes. Mugithie riu we riu ri. Ni watuika riu business competition ya nyukwa. Ekwara ha ware haria. Wewe wathie ku. Tikwara ku.
Giathi.
Aciare haha. Ao ndigithie ngoma icio wina cio. Na wenda gutandikire guku giathi ngutandika. Ciare haha. Ugaciakaria na kabici cia nyukwa. Kana kiria rendi. You will not handle the money.
You will not be allowed.
You will not.
Pesa yote inaenda e-citizen.
Yes. Wewe kiongea kali gutuma e-teams invoice.
Ati uhando bia te tondu urarimite karati.
No gatuma tumuone getha ndugeke mathabu.
Oiyo mayo.
Ndukagete statement ya dania ciaku cio ciarehe ki?
Ciarehe mbeca.
Yes. Okay, wewe hau ukaigua mundu oka. Haiya mukuru. Kaina dania thaka atia?
No kugeria.
Ni cia thaka icio rendi atia?
Ni kibao kiigo.
Njikira cia igana ni cia thaka ici. Ni wona kana we guoko gweka kworeni. And you are there and you will say
nothing. And she will not give credit to you.
You cannot overrule your mother's glory. Because if that goes home, now that is it is espionage.
Aito akirira kiyo giaku.
Ndewe ndeto hande oguo ai. Turekira ndiragikena.
Ona tituthuru hetu ngidatigia.
Ni ukandehera ni twathakara tutu nyina wa macaria. And you are just there. Oya kara festival tukona. Hari indo iria nyokwe gukite nacio thoko nduma ri. Actually tubers. Very organic traditional food. Tondu nyukwe gukite na mianga, ikwa na
nduma.
Fast moving iria ciite mutaracoka nacio ri. Ni dania ciao.
Ni dania ciaku.
Yes. No kwale ciingiria magana manana. Which by the standards then ni ta ngiri ta 10 na kindu.
Around 13,000.
Mwai kinya mucie. Wakiuga atiri. waithie go claim kaihoria claim form
ugikora reimbursement.
Yes. Ukiuga riu ndani ya ciakwa atia. Okay. Wina ndutu hakiriwe. Ndutu ikorete nginya
hakiri.
Na tiga icio cie maguru. Wina cio nginya hakiriwe. Na saitani ucio rakuhingica ri. Ngugomana nake nake.
Ani ndikwenda ni andu ya ndani ya icio
takiria monu acio.
Nuranihanihira.
Atiriri. Were niwe thoguo ni wagaire mugunda guku. Safia, twakira turire mugunda.
No kirima.
Biko ni cia kuni namba cigana. Taitori.
Ye ndigonda ngerie ndania ciakwa endia nao ya mbia.
Ciakundu.
Yo tirinde arimite ndania icio.
Guku tie kindu gia kuona wewe witu. No tukwendio nawe na tule icio pia.
Kwani huku ni wapi?
Ukari wathiriri. Why am I kandendirio guku ndi ngombo. Ndiruke kandendirio guku ndunga tage. Kwaja thau arokijiro ni uhoro ucio.
Ati ni ukuhandite maitu guo kienda mbia. No kauga ni ciaku. Macaria ndeiguo kwenda kuiya nyukwa.
And she I swear. And from the onset go to na mundu wa kuragia how the farming is going on.
Yes. They would actually observe from a distance
and they would look uninterested until it becomes monetary.
That is when the people with the power would revoke their powers.
Adwa mweto gorie brotire twarutire kiria hau.
Urathi
inspiration yaumire
hau
mundu akiagira tiri wake.
Urathirite no nginya kuragwo ni undu wa indo cia.
No, I have a relative munini ri he were the entrepreneur tondu he went as far as gukombora mugunda ihuro-ini cia rui ahande itunguru cia ngwacĩ
agakombora.
Yes. Riria ciria tukonia mucie that was it.
It was forcibly acquired.
Yes.
Wena mbeca cia gukombora mugunda ndirite
iranyina wa gucuoke.
Riu ni manyita cie mbia.
Yes.
Magia muraramo.
Yes. Ate ni wendia mbuku ciaku cia kinya ngiri mbia. Ciria mahuti maku.
Ureithagiria ku.
Atiriri to mbeca citu twathukuma tukaria ithuothe haha ri ciaku iratura niki munene uyu
ngekari ndi guthukumira andu aria angi
na ndugatwererie uguo renda we ukariga no ndagoikeirie gicinga muthenya ungi we ukandu andethe threats ri wagiga atiri ikue ona muthungu ni egwateire bururi
na ngundu
okauga oikara okauga not yet uhuru.
It's not yet uhuru. Aiko nginya maisha maku no mathirite no ni undu wa kio giaku.
We akine ciaku wanu amenya mau mario mutitu.
Itungatire o githaka. Like Vida 52.
Woto giandika mabuku. Historical injustice.
Japte ono era ihe.
Hindi urete mathabu masafu kona iratu pea ithatu. Urenda kona iratu pea ithatu wona nisi cia nyune cia ngoriai.
No igirire nginya murendio cassette. Wa mahiga matandatu.
Na ndio thoguo na transistorized radio ya sanyo.
Ya igirire nginya nyenje theini.